Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bacon jam is a bacon-based relish, similar to the Austrian starter verhakert. It is made through a process of slow cooking the bacon, along with onions, vinegar, brown sugar and spices, before mixing in a food processor.
Let's help you make your mark.
A little unclear on what bacon jam actually is? TJ's website explains. It's essentially uncured, no added nitrites, applewood smoked bacon, simmered down slow with onions, dark brown sugar, and apple cider vinegar until it's dark and rich.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bacon jam is a bacon-based relish that is made by slow-cooking bacon, onions, garlic, brown sugar, vinegar and spices. It is absolutely divine and a must-try. You can store for a little over a week in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Reheat it in the microwave for short intervals at a reduced power point. 10 December 2018.
Take our lead.
Apple cider maple vinegar enhances flavor and enjoyment for use as a drinking vinegar, as part of a healthy detox regime, in shrubs and switchels, in vinaigrettes and dressings, marinades and brines, soups and sauces, pickling and much more.
Take our lead.
Bacon jam can only be made for refrigerated or freezer storage, or eaten immediately. And for refrigerating and freezing, you can reuse your metal mason jar lids. Most bacon jam recipes designed for refrigerator storage suggest that it be used up within 2 to 4 weeks, or frozen.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.